If you're new to makeup or you love simple everyday makeup looks with minimal products just like me, then this video is for you. After prepping your skin with your skincare routine, then go in with your primer. After applying your primer, it's time to go in with your foundation. Make sure you don't apply the foundation directly on your face. This will help you control the quantity of foundation you put on your face. And also, notice how I didn't put any foundation on my forehead. This is because after applying the foundation all over your face, the residue that will be remaining in the beauty blender, that's what I'll use on my forehead, just like in this video. This is to prevent it looking cakey, because there are some people that when you see their makeup, it will look like their forehead is dirty. This is what causes it. Now, after your foundation, you go in with your concealer, okay? You conceal under your eyes, above your lips, and on your chin. I'm using a brush to apply it, but I prefer to use beauty blenders to blend out makeup on my face because it's easier for me and it's smoother that way. If you prefer to use brush, you can do so. So I make sure I blend out every product that I apply on my face. This is what will give it that smooth finish. So after blending out my concealer, using this pressed powder which is a bit lighter than my shade to set the concealer, okay? If you don't set the concealer, it's going to crease. So I usually just apply a generous amount of my setting powder above the concealer, like on top of the concealer. This will help it to stay in place. Your face won't be looking cakey, your makeup won't look smudged. It will look really smooth. So after that, it's time to take care of the brows, okay? I'm using this brown eye pencil, which is the David's eye pencil. That's what I use for my eyebrows. After drawing the eyebrows, I fill it in. Make sure you're not applying too much eye pencil on the eyebrows. You want it to look as natural as possible, okay? So after filling the eyebrows with my eye pencil, it's time to make it look neater. So with this brush, I'm brushing out the inner edges of the eye pencil, to make it look more natural and neat. Then with that same brush which I used to apply concealer under my eyes, I didn't add it any more products, like it already had product residue from when I applied concealer under my eyes. So that same brush, I used it to make my eyebrows look neater, as you can see in this video. So after my eyebrows, it's time to apply my eyeliner. I use this black opal eyeliner, okay? I've been using it for a really long time. In fact, this is the only eyeliner that I love to use on my eyes. So with the eyeliner, I love to give my eyes the shape of an almond, okay? Which is exactly what I'm doing. So I basically just apply the eyeliner as close as possible to the edges of my eyelashes. On this particular day, I wanted to do a little bit of blush, and as you can see, I'm using my lipstick as the blush. So I'm using this fluffy brush to blend it out, and it looks really, really cute. Okay, nobody will know that this is not blush. Nobody will know that this is lipstick I'm using as blush. And see how well it turned out. This to show you that makeup doesn't require you breaking the bank, okay? You can improvise with a whole lot of things. Next, I'm using my bronzer to apply it on my cheek. Just apply it exactly as I'm doing in the video, and I also apply the bronzer on my nose exactly like this. This is to give it the shape that it has. And then with my powder, I'm now applying the powder all over my face, okay? This is to give it the finishing touches that it needs. Going again with my brown eye pencil, I'm using it to line out my lips because we are doing a lip combo, okay? We are doing a red lip combo. Now, when you get to this point, if you can't be bothered to apply lipstick, you can just, after lining your lips, you can use lip gloss on it and you're good, okay? You don't have to use lipstick. But since I'm taking it a bit further, I'm lining my lips now. After lining my lips, it's time to apply my lipstick, okay? The lipstick is to give it the finishing touches that it needs. And as I always say, you can leave it like this because like this now is looking really pretty, okay? But I want to take it a bit further. So this is me creating 3 looks from this same makeup tutorial, okay? I decided to add lip gloss to the lipstick. This is to give it a shiny effect. You see how my lips are shining? This is to show you that from this simple makeup tutorial you can create 3 different looks from this same base makeup. Okay, you just need to keep changing your lips, and you can also apply eyeshadow. In subsequent videos I'll show you guys how to layer your eyeshadow, how to do other types of makeup, and yeah, that will be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.